Welcome to Road to Financial Health, presented by Fort Knox Federal Credit Union, your financial partner for a better quality of life.
Credit cards are both a convenience and a staple part of how most people manage their money. However, the rules governing credit card issuers are changing, and that will have an effect on you and your credit cards. Hi, I'm Mike Enlow. It's called the Credit Card Accountability, Responsibility, and Disclosure Act of 2009, or Credit Card Act, and it marks a significant turning point for America's credit card industry.
The Credit Card Act of 2009 was voted into law on May 22nd, and many consumer activists claim it will provide credit card users reliable protection and establish fair and transparent practices relating to the extension of credit under an open and consumer credit plan. Generally, the Credit Card Act limits changes for interest rates, fees, and other significant terms on credit card accounts. It also requires a longer notice when certain terms are changed and bans some of the deceptive practices that are at times employed by some card users. Specifically, credit issuers must now provide consumers with 21 days instead of 14 to pay the monthly bill after the statement has been delivered. 45 days advance notice of significant account changes, such as interest rates, fees, or reward programs. The opportunity to opt out of interest rate hikes and increases in fees or other charges. Issuers must also disclose to customers how long it would take to pay off their entire balance and the total cost in interest and principal payments. The hope is that such a big number will scare more consumers into tackling their debts before they grow too large. Additionally, promotional interest rates must stay in effect for at least 6 months, and interest rates cannot be increased within the first 12 months of a new account. Issuers can no longer retroactively increase a customer's rate unless that individual is more than 60 days late on payments. If the interest rate is increased due to delinquency, then that account must be reviewed after 6 months and returned to the previous lower APR if all payments have been on time during that period, and no more over-the-limit fees unless the cardholder opts to allow charges in excess of the credit limit. Also, under the Card Act, there will be stricter requirements for those under 21 years of age to get a credit card. In fact, under the new rules, those under 21 must have an adult cosigner or prove they have sufficient income to support the level of credit given. Also banned are inactivity fees for gift cards. Now, gift card holders will have at least 12 months to show activity on their cards. All cards must also remain active for a minimum of 5 years from the date of activation, and issuers need to clearly disclose their terms of expiration and the fee structure to gift card buyers up front. All these changes are meant to protect the consumer. However, one of the best ways to protect both your credit and ability to use credit cards is carefully shopping for the right credit card to suit your needs. Look for the card that offers the features, interest rate, and terms you want. For other money-saving tips, log on to Fort Knox Federal Credit Union's website at www.fortknoxfcu.org. Thank you for joining us on Road to Financial Health, presented by Fort Knox Federal Credit Union, your financial partner for a better quality of life.
We at Fort Knox Federal are dedicated to serving our members and invite you to join. Join us again soon for another Road to Financial Health.